What up, guys? Today we got another episode of Fridge Finds coming to you. Very fresh. I'm excited for it. Currently we're at my brother's house in Ohio. Shout out brother Brian. And I'm starving. So I was looking through the fridge earlier and the options were turkey dogs. But this caught my eye right here. We got a salami and cheese platter with some crackers. So we're gonna see what else we can find and we're gonna cook something up. We got a bunch of eggs. I think we're gonna scramble that up. Some peppers. Let's do it. My brother has this cool little, I've never seen this. It's like a pull-out cutting board, so we're about to just, slice everything up. Alright guys, we got everything set up. Chopped up, we got onions. Onions in here. We got broccoli and banana peppers. The eggs, gotta scramble those up. And here's the from the cutlery board or something. And we got some lettuce. I'm gonna look for some bread. I'm thinking maybe throw this all on some bread. Alright guys, so I think this is gonna come down to the timing quite a bit because of the scrambled eggs. I was just wondering what those things are called with meat and cheese on them.
Charcuterie.
Alright guys, this is gonna be called the charcuterie salad. Open face sandwich maybe. Here's what we got going. So I think I'm doing some scrambled eggs. So this is gonna be a lot about timing. Definitely gonna start with the onions. And I'll just show you guys. So I'm gonna start by cooking the onion down in some butter. Onions usually take a while, so they're going first. Got the pan on medium low here. I'm throwing the salamis and the pepperonis and whatever that was. Put the bread down, try to toast that up. And then I add the broccoli and banana peppers. A little bit of cheese, let that melt in. And last but not least, we're gonna throw some butter for the eggs. Cook those up and then throw it on the lettuce and bread. Turned out looking pretty good. Also found some salsa, so I threw that on top. And we're gonna try it out. Yo! Charcuterie. We got the charcuterie scramble, guys. On bread. Looking pretty dope. Looking pretty dope. Let's try it out. Got a spoon and knife. Hey, it'll get it done. This looks so good, guys. Look at that. It's tasty. Let me try to find something bad about it. And I was thinking I could have made this a sandwich too. But I usually don't think sandwich with scrambled eggs. But I'm liking it, guys. Got the broccoli in there. The bread could honestly be a little more toasted. But that's probably it. Thanks for watching, guys. Charcuterie scramble, open face sandwich. leave a comment, yeah? If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment.